if you're encountering a query timeout error in Amazon Redshift, it can disrupt your workflow. Follow these steps to quickly resolve the issue. Step 1. Identify the query. Start by determining which query is causing the timeout. Review your query logs or use the AWS Management Console to find the specific query that failed. Step 2. Optimize the query. Once you've identified the problematic query, analyze it for optimization opportunities. Look for ways to simplify the query, reduce the number of joins, or eliminate unnecessary calculations. Step 3. Increase timeout settings. If optimization does not resolve the issue, consider increasing the timeout settings. You can adjust the statement timeout parameter in your Redshift configuration to allow longer execution times for complex queries. Step 4. Monitor cluster performance. Check the performance of your Redshift cluster. Use the AWS console to monitor CPU usage, memory, and disk space. If the cluster is under heavy load, it may be necessary to scale up your resources. Step 5. Review workload management (WLM) settings. Finally, review your workload management settings. Ensure that the queues are properly configured to handle the workload. Adjust the memory allocation and concurrency settings to improve query performance. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the query timeout issue in Redshift effectively. If problems persist, consider reaching out to AWS support for further assistance.